from the other day, I'm sick out, you know.
Oh, now where you did that flu?
Nothing, so, you know. Just stress.
Well, I know say kinda hard, you know. But you have to just go and hold it.
May I try, you know? I'm just missing.
You know, I try make a link with the police them to see if we can go visit him. But them say they will give me back a link to them.
To tell you the truth, I don't know if you can.
Then you say you miss him. So you mean by you can't go see him?
Yeah, but I can't manage to just see him in that state.
No, but still in Marissa.
I talk to him, you know, it is. And look how him get himself, you know.
Get what you say, you know. But you still have to remember, so even though we are doing a little juggling, you still have to look out for your community.
We never got to do it one different way though, because this I getting in a problem.
Real talk. Just when you go and hold it still. So how the business? Still around the bar?
Almost a week me now eating.
Marissa, you have to do what you have to do. Butcher go alright, I can promise you that. Even though I'm getting that little problem, yeah, them still a look out for you. You get me I say?
I don't know where him get charged for. It's true that you know, your farm there. You just stressing. I don't know what go on.
Like me say, when them people they link me, I make you know what go on. You know you can't do nothing about the studio still, you know. But what go on the farm?
Nothing. I'm gone, everything mash up. And the sun hot, so everything dry up on the farm.
Yeah, what you do? So go and take care of yourself and the youth. Go on in the bar. You see me? Butcher alright. As soon as I get some information from the police, I make you know what go on.
Alright, maybe go back over.
Yeah, alright, do a different thing.
Yeah, everything alright.
I mean, like money wise and everything.
Yeah, everything okay.
Alright, yes. Wagwan. There, I know, you're dealing with Bishop.
Yeah, I'm doing a bad cousin, man. Where are you dealing? You don't hear nothing from the feds?
No, you know. No, I know, I don't hear nothing from them though. But Whisper did that 7 was to give him a link if anything.
Yeah, pretty sure you did hear from them still, you know? I mean, so we could have give him a visit though.
No, that me I pray to still. So if I don't hear from him, I have to just give him a call, you see it?
Yeah, man. I know him supposed to want to hear from you, see me?
Yeah, I want to know what going down there with him, you know. I want to know if I cheat him alright, you see me?
That is it, man. But based on how they talk, I expect them to deal with him good though.
Yeah, I expect that too. But I still want to see. Because word I just winning a vicious, you know that already. So I go on over the bar, I go on to the over the lock up.
You know, so I get a one preps to go and run off the bar for a day still. You can't lock down the business, you hear that?
Yeah man, and that is it man, you sound like a real businessman now.
Businessman with a business plan. You don't know anything come down, we are back to school for free, eh?
A real way in the youth. I want to tell you that tomorrow I have some little things to collect off a little bit them too, you know, so I have to line up a shit things them said, you know anything though.
That is it. I want to tell you, so I start the program already, you know? See, prayer. Get this for my son already, you know?
Wow, how you get this brother? Down a town?
You know, say I know down a town. Up on Sheen. I know fish here for him.
Yeah man, you look like she in Africa, I have to turn a spokesperson for them in the youth, in a real life.
Ready, me ready, man. From the cash right, you know the crime.
In real life, you know, you glad to say I take on the father role, you know. And I get a real chance now. Prove yourself to your youth. You see me? I whole heap of respect you.
Never lie, man. I wouldn't feel good for no so I not play a part in my youth life. You see, Pre? So I have to do the right thing now, though.
So how Marsha move you now? Everything alright with you and her?
And my youth, me I deal with my bad friend, man. See, once me youth in my life, everything alright. Alright, that's the thing they hear that.
So I go on, how you be so strong? You not attack?
No, man, Marsha govern, man. And from once you do the right thing, everything govern, you see?
You know, say all what go on still. You feel like you look her back on that style, you know. You know?
A business me I deal with, man. Marsha govern. She carry me out, and she carry me out, come give me. You see me?
Anything you say, bad boy. Yo, when I did it, whisper. Boy, I'm there, so I wait for that call there, you know. Alright. Blessings, brother.
What am I say?
Well, I say we can make a portal now if we just link him out on the front.
Well, I could do something, man.
Forward now.
Back to the roots, babe. Let the shadows fall. I'm making no excuses. I know